In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Wise to Paysera. To do this, first go and open up Wise and from the home screen click Send. Then from here click Add a Recipient. Now choose which currency your Paysera bank account is in. For me, I'll select Euro and then click Enter Bank Details. Then if the Paysera bank account is under your name, then select Myself. If it's a business bank account, select Business or Charity. If it's under someone else's name, select Someone Else. For this example, I'll select Myself. Now from here, all you need to do is enter your bank account details. So for example, your IBAN. Now if you want to find your Paysera IBAN, you can see in the Paysera app, you will find it at the top of the main app screen. So just going to copy that IBAN, and in the IBAN you also have the first two letters. So for example, LT, which means that the bank account is Lithuania, and in some cases you then may need to select outside Europe. But just enter all of the details that are found on your Paysera account, so also the name it's under, and if it's a business bank account, again, then you want to go and select Business or Charity, and then enter the name of the business and then the IBAN. After doing that, click Confirm, and then the recipient will be added. From there, choose the amount you want to send and review all the details, and select how you want to pay for the transfer. Then actually go and pay for it, and you can also pay using your Wise balance, and then the money will be on its way to your Paysera bank account. So that's how to transfer money from Wise to Paysera. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.